Hey everyone, I'm Laura from ClickFix, and today I'm going to show you how you can use one of our shortcodes, the hide block and the show block. So before you use any of our shortcodes, you need to make sure that you have everything set up so everything works smoothly. So I'm here in the ClickFix website, app.clickfix.io, and once you log in into your account, you're going to go to Start Here. So the first step is to go to the Start Here page, and the first thing to do is to add your domain. So if you click here, you will be able to add your domain. Remember that if you have a free ClickFix account, you can only add one domain. So once you have that set up, you can go back to the Start Here page. And the next step is to install the Chrome plugin. So if you click here, it will take you to the Chrome store where you can download the plugin and it will be added to your Chrome browser. So the next step is to copy the script that you have to add to the header code in all of your Ontraport pages where you want to use one of our shortcodes. So this goes above any of the shortcodes that you use. So you just come to your Ontraport page and you click on custom code, and it's gonna take you to the header code where you paste your script, and then you can start working on your shortcodes. And those are the 3 steps that you need to follow in order to use our shortcodes. Also in this page you can find the documentation page where you can find all of our shortcodes and the written instructions for all of them. So here are all the shortcodes, and you can scroll down to the shortcode that you want to check out. And also if you have any other questions or you need more help, you can click on the support button and you will get a ticket to solve any of your doubts. And with that being said, we can move on to the tutorial. I am using one of our templates from the ClickFix library for this video. So here you can see that you can switch between slides within the page. So you can use these buttons to switch between these slides, but there are multiple elements inside of this block. So there's a picture, there's text, there are buttons. So what I'm doing here is using the hide block shortcode to hide and show the entire block instead of targeting just one element. So I have 2 codes, one is for mobile and one is for desktop. So basically what is happening is that if the user clicks on the first button that has the link called slide.1, then they're gonna see the first slide and the page is going to hide those 2 blocks, which are the other 2 slides. And I repeat the same code for the rest of the slides. And the same is happening in mobile. I just created 2 codes for design purposes. So here's how it looks on the mobile version. It's the same function. When you click on the buttons, the slides change. So here's another way to use this code. I am in another template from our library, and as you can see here, I have 3 different blocks that have the same content. So this one's for mobile, we can ignore that one for now. But I have this one repeated, and the reason why is because when I used this amount of pixels for a margin on tablets, the text didn't have a lot of space and it looked very tight. So what I did is that I duplicated this block, and I went ahead and used the hide block to hide the first block when you're watching the page from a tablet, and you're gonna see the show block when you use a tablet. And I did the same for mobile on landscape. So here's how it looks on desktop, and on the tablet it would look pretty much the same using the code. And for this I use another code. I combined another code using the if screen. If you want to know how that one works, I'm gonna leave the link for the video in the description. So that's everything for this video. I hope that you find it useful. Thank you so much for watching.